for some wheels? I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up.
What's going on, you guys? Today we're gonna be working on my neglected Mustang. It's been broken down for 2 weeks. I know. I should have fixed it right away, but we're gonna be doing that today. But before we start the video, please share this video, send it to someone either through text message, email, I don't care, it would really help out. But let's get to work. Look at this poor car. It looks like a homeless tent. Let's get this thing uncovered. So we'll be doing a couple of things today. The simplest thing is we'll be putting on a new fuel pump, but the main thing we'll be doing today is converting this car to manual steering. So we'll be getting rid of this power steering pump. It works too well. You can steer with a pinky, and that's not what I want. I want it to feel like a race car. I got inspired to do this after going up to Laguna Seca this weekend. I got to see all the old Trans Am race cars. Look at how much more room I have here. I could do so many more activities. Look at, you could just put the fuel pump on without an issue. So before I start removing a bunch of stuff, I wanted to say this isn't like a proper conversion. I'm gonna keep some of the power steering components still on here, but it should work the same. But eventually I'll convert it fully to manual steering and get rid of all the power steering parts, but I don't really wanna spend any money. So all I'm gonna do is just remove the cylinder right here and remove some of the hoses, and I think that should be good. So here's everything I took off, and I literally made a really big mess with all the fluid. It went everywhere. So the good news is there will be no more fluid leaks from this thing. So now it will only be oil on the ground. So before I drop the car back down, I'm gonna change out the oil and put on a new oil filter because a while back I got coolant all in the engine. So I think it's best to just change everything out. I was literally so close to overflowing, but luckily it's just like a little stream now. But it was so close to going over the edge. All right, first turn. Okay, that's an arm workout. Oh no, you guys. Car died. Come on. The mechanic is here. And he's brought me some gas. It looks fine, right?
Fuel pump looks fine.
Yeah, there's nothing leaking or anything. What's the issue?
This wire broke off to the coil.
Oh no.
That's easy to fix though, at least. And then this one over here is a little, I mean, I don't know if that matters, but it's wiggling a little. That's what I was checking. And then
I wonder if that had always been my issue.
That might have been your whole issue.
You gotta be kidding me, you guys. So that's ridiculous that was the whole issue when I broke down at the car meet. It wasn't really running properly. I think the wire was loose here and it was like wiggling around and was giving me issues. But come on, it's always the simplest things. Well, I guess I should get to it. All right, so the wire on the coil's back in place, so let's try it out. Oh, fire's right up. Let's go take this thing out. This is so exciting. Let's test out the steering. It's not bad, but the steering box sucked so bad. That's the next real upgrade I need to do to this car. Once the steering's nice on this car, I'll have so much more confidence. That's so funny. I just try to like turn left with one hand. Can't do that anymore. You need two hands on the wheel. But the engine's feeling a lot more smooth. I don't know if it's because of the wire or because of the new fuel pump. I don't know, but I'll take it. But now we're gonna go up a little windy road and I guess we'll get a better feel of what it's like. Yeah, this feels like an old school race car now. A lot more input. Yeah, this is great, guys. This is awesome. But you know what? Let's go. Let's take this car out on some, you know, secluded streets, and let's see what she does.